Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. My name is Amru Alfa Asidiki from Physical Education International Class. So I will present about the PowerPoint that I create about basic technique of football. Please listen. Description of football. The game of football can be said to be a very interesting sport and can be played by all age groups because basically the game of football was created with the concept of game that is played by highlighting the element of fun and is played in teams. Football is sport game consisting of two teams with each team a minimum of 7 players, a maximum of 11 players in the field. The object of the game is to get as many ball into the opponent's goal as possible. In the game of soccer, there are also several techniques, and what is discussed in this paper is the technique of kicking and holding. The kicking technique is divided into the technique of kicking the ball using the outside foot, inside foot, and instep, while the holding technique in soccer games is divided into the technique of holding the ball with the thick chest, head, head and feet, base of the foot, and tortoise foot. Basic technique kicking the ball. Technique kicking the ball with the outside foot. For proper performance of using the inside of the foot when kicking, point towards the ball as the right foot or kicking foot towards the ball as the right foot or kicking foot swing forward. The ankle position also needs to be positioned at the midpoint, where the two can be made a step to the bottom side. Only then can the ball be kicked right at the target of the center of the kick. The purpose of passing using the outside of the foot is to make the direction of the ball become curved and slightly rotated because it hits the edge of the ball. Technique kicking the ball with the feet inside. One more way or technique of kicking the ball in soccer that is also often used by the player, namely by using the inside of the foot. Usually this technique aims to shoot at goal. Technique kicking the ball with the back. Usually the ask of the instep in kicking is ask when you want to kick a long distance ball. This technique is also very important to be trained to be more on target, especially when you want the ball to be obtained by a teammate. Basic technique holding the ball. The technique of holding the ball with the stick is an important element. This technique is as when receive the ball lower than the stick and above the leg. The technique of holding the ball with the chest is very effective when getting the ball over by using by us the chest. The ball will stabilize and slide to the ground, which will be further processed process, whether it is passed or kicked into the goal mode. Avoid receiving the ball using the left is because it can have and impact on the head. Technique holding ball with the head. Holding the ball with your head is a technique to win the ball in the air. If the condition is attacking, the top ball is the head with the head in desired direction and is led to attack the opponent's area. In the in the defensive condition, very effective when holding the ball up. Thank you guys for listening to my presentation. See you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.